This is POCO C50, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, let's launch the Google Calendar app. The next step you need to take is to choose the date that you wanted to create an event on for. So let's say I'll go with 31st of March. Then, once the date is successfully selected, tap at the plus sign to your bottom right, choose the event option from the list over here. Next, you can set up the event. Finally, so for example, you can set the title for your event, set the time frames for it, change the time zone, make this event somewhat recurring or repetitive or just a one-time deal. You can invite some other people or other event participants, or add the link to the video conference or video call that will take place regarding this event, if there will be any to begin with. You can also add the location that this event will take place at. So for example, I will add Warsaw. Then you can change the color that this event will have in the calendar, so you will be able to better tell it apart from other events or calendar entries that you have. You can add the description or attach some file as well, not a big deal or problem at all. Then hit that save button to your top right, and let me open my monthly calendar view to show you. So here is my event. You can tap on it in order to see or check its details, as well as edit those details if you want to, as well as completely erase the event from your calendar like that. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.